Hello and welcome to ChopChopChef. Thank you again for tuning in on today's ChopChopChef cooking session. Today we do as well something very quick but different. I think you cannot find a recipe anywhere. So that's why I share it with you. We will do a potato and horseradish salad dressing. I know this is a mouthful, right? But for that one, we have I have cooked yesterday some potatoes. They're nice and cold. We peel them later and we continue as I show you. Then, okay, potatoes, doesn't matter. This is Gipfel potato, Desiree potato, any potatoes you want, as long they are cooked, cold and not peeled. Then we have, I have a beautiful white balsamic vinegar. We have an extra virgin olive oil in here, and as we can see, I have some horseradish cream, finely chopped or pressed garlic, and red onion. And salt and pepper. So simple, right? So again, we're doing a potato horseradish salad dressing. Okay, everybody, now here on our workbench, right? So I peeled the Gipfel potato, very easy. First thing first, I have this potato press, yeah? So now we're taking the potatoes and squeezing them through here. Probably not all of it, right? So like that. And then we put it nicely through it, as you can see, very nice. Yeah, okay, there's more than plenty for us. All right. Now, why I said before with the potatoes, obviously you just peel them before you need it. If the potatoes is peeled the day before, then it would have sort of dried up and then you can't squeeze it through your potato press anymore, right? So now they're nice and moist. Yeah, perfect, that's what I want. And we want to have this rough sort of potato as we have it here. All right, very easy, yeah. Now we continue straight away in here. We're putting all our red onions. Easy. As well, our garlic, probably half of it only for the moment. Yeah. And all our horseradish cream. I have to admit, if you get a hands on fresh horseradish, of course you grate fresh horseradish in there, you know, this will make a even better difference. Okay, we already can start putting some salt on it, pepper, then already a few dashes of our white balsamic vinegar. Okay, now let's mix this one first. Now it comes, right? Now we need extra virgin olive oil. Yeah. We need a little bit water. Yeah, so this looks good. Yeah, I know it's still a little bit lumpy, right? Now we're putting water in here. Just be careful, you don't want to have it too runny in this case. And I tell you why it is like that. So that's the consistency we want to achieve, right? And why it is when I have later on a special salad, right? When the salad goes through it, you can see the dressing nicely stays on your lettuce leaves, right? It's not running off. That's the key of this whole potato and horseradish dressing. Okay, and we have to taste it, obviously. Enough garlic, that's for sure. It's a little bit more vinegar and a few cracked salt. Yeah, okay. I think we taste it one more time. Okay, the proof is in the pudding, right? So we're taking some of our potato dressing, put it here on a little bit of a rocket, mix it nicely together. As you can see, it's beautiful, nice and shiny coated. That's what I like. And you're still there. Oops. I forgot the camera should running. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is ChopChopChef's most famous potato horseradish dressing, salad dressing, yeah, for nice coating. Try it out one day and let me know. Till next time. Thank you.